Let's get a diagram started for this question. So both of these people are traveling from Acaster to B Town. Now, Lewis travels from A to B at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour, waits for an hour, and then starts traveling backwards, where the two of them will meet 105 kilometers away. So this distance here, that's the one we want to find. I'm just going to call that D, and then this distance is going to be 105. So if I focus on Lewis's journey, we've got speed is distance over time. Time is then distance over speed. Right, Lewis's total time is going to be the distance from Acaster to B Town divided by 70. That's the time that it took him to get from A to B. He then waits an hour, so I just need to add that on, and then travels back 105 kilometers at the speed of 70. Okay, so that is Lewis's total time for where they meet. Now let's take a look at Geraint. So Geraint simply goes from here to here with a speed of 30. And they're going to meet after the same time. So this clock starts at the same time for them. So Geraint's time actually is a lot simpler. It's going to be time is distance over speed. So it's going to be the full distance minus 105 divided by their speed. And I can set these two equal to one another and then solve for D. So D over 70 plus 1 plus 105 over 70 is equal to D minus 105 over 30. So the first thing I'm going to do actually is times through by 10, because then I'll get D over 7 plus 10 plus 105 over 7 is equal to D minus 105 over 3. And now I'm going to times through by the lowest common multiple of 7 and 3, which is 21. So when I times this term, this left-hand term by 21, the 7s are going to cancel and they're going to be left with 3D. Over here, I'm going to get 210. 105 over 7 times 21, the 7s are going to cancel, so it's just going to be 105 times 3, 315. And then over here, when I times by 21, the 3s are going to cancel, and I'm just going to end up timesing through by 7. So 7D minus 735. So add these two together, I'm going to get 525. And then I'm going to add the 735 over here, and then minus 3D, so I'm going to get 4D. That's going to give me 4D is equal to 1,260, which means D is going to be 315. And that is the answer to this question. Okay, so it's quite a lot to do here, but just carefully set it out. Speed equals distance over time, rearrange it, find the times, create an equation, and solve it. Nice.